For the second time in just 2 weeks, the Justice Department has secured an indictment against a political opponent of President Trump. New York Attorney General Letitia James now faces fraud charges. She called the move a weaponization of the justice system. Listen.
These charges are baseless, and the president's own public statements make clear that his only goal is political retribution at any cost.
CBS News correspondent Natalie Brand joins us now from the White House with more. So, Natalie, good morning. Tell us about this indictment. What's inside?
Good morning, Errol. Well, as you know, this indictment comes after President Trump publicly told or urged the DOJ on social media and public statements to look into or go after some political opponents, including AG James and also former FBI Director James Comey, who was arraigned this week. Recall, Attorney General James led a civil fraud investigation against Trump a couple of years ago. So the new charges against her were announced by the new interim U.S. Attorney for the Eastern District of Virginia. That's Lindsay Halligan, a White House aide and former personal attorney of President Trump. Recall, the previous prosecutor in that post did not pursue these cases and ultimately resigned last month. The indictment returned by a federal grand jury yesterday accuses James of bank fraud and also false statements to a financial institution, the DOJ alleging that she misrepresented how her home in Norfolk, Virginia was going to be used in order to get a lower interest rate. Now, James's attorney says she forcefully denies the charges, and Democratic lawmakers are calling this indictment politically motivated. Take a listen to Senate Minority Leader Chuck Schumer.
This is what tyranny looks like. Donald Trump has turned the Justice Department into his personal attack dog to go after his political enemies. This is tyranny. This is outrageous. Every American should be horrified, absolutely horrified, about what has happened.
Now, U.S. Attorney Lindsay Halligan argues the facts and law in this case are clear, saying in a statement, quote, "No one is above the law. The charges as alleged in this case represent intentional criminal acts and tremendous breaches of the public's trust." James is scheduled to have an initial court appearance in Virginia on October 24th. Errol.
All right, Natalie Brand with the latest. Natalie, thanks.